M's Quilts and M's Scrap Bag, and today I'm going to show you how to make these warm heart hand warmers. They're cute little gifts that you can use as stocking stuffers, share with friends. I have a printable that you can use. If you want the pattern for the heart plus the printable, I will put that in the description down below so that you can get that. So I just packaged them up and they look like this. I just used a little scrap of fabric, put a couple in. It has instructions on how you use the hand warmer. Just pop them in the microwave for 20 to 30 seconds. Thanks for watching my video. Remember to like and subscribe. All right, let's get started. To make our warm hearts hand warmer, you're going to want two 3.5-inch squares. We're just going to put these right sides together. Then we're going to take our template, and you can get the free template. I'll put the link in the description down below. And then we're going to trace our template. With right sides together, we're going to take this to the sewing machine. You can pin it. I just kind of am quick and dirty and I just leave it together. So you decide what you want to do. And we're going to start sewing about 1 inch from the point here, starting here, and we're going to go all the way around, and we're going to leave us a gap that's about 1 inch, 1.5 inches right here. That's going to look like this. And we're going to take our scissors and we're going to give us a generous 1/4 inch as we cut that out. I like to do it this way. 1, my hearts will be the same size. 2, I only have to cut out 1 time instead of twice. And I'm going to make a little slit right here, cut my little tip there. Okay, when we get it cut out, then I'm just going to take this where that opening is. I'm going to fold it back on that line, and then I'm just going to press that. I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to do the same side, so I'm lining up with the other edge. On this one, it's the red fabric. I'm going to press that also. And then we're just going to open up our opening here. This just makes it easy so when we stitch it up, it's already folded back. And I'm going to use the eraser side. You can use a chopstick or turning tool. And we're just going to turn this so we get that nice edge. And I have this small kitchen funnel. I have some rice. I'm going to find my little hole that I left, and I'm just going to spoon some rice in here. Once we get that mostly filled, I like to take just a little piece of scrap batting, and I like to fill in that hole there. That way I just don't have to deal with the rice on top trying to fall out as I'm stitching up. Next, I'm going to take a needle and thread and get me a knot in the end of my thread. Put it in here. Put it in here just a little bit back of where the machine stitching is. And we're just going to blind stitch this together. Just going to catch a few threads, pull it back to the other side, catch a few threads. And we're going to just continue that method until we've sewn up that little hole that we left. And I'm just going to tie me a knot here. I'm going to poke this through, pop that knot through. Just going to clip that thread, and that gives me my warm heart hand warmer. We're just going to rinse and repeat until we can make lots of warm hands. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time. Bye-bye.